Welcome to the captivating world of ants. These minuscule creatures are not just diligent insects, they are wonders of natural engineering and intelligence, a fact that is sure to pique your curiosity. Ants live in complex societies and display remarkable behaviors that hint at a level of intelligence not immediately obvious at first glance. Let's delve into the unique. The nervous system of an ant is a marvel, distinct from that of humans. Instead of a centralized brain, ants have a series of ganglia clusters of nerve cells spread throughout their bodies, a design that is truly awe-inspiring. The ant's brain is a small but powerful organ, containing around 250,000 neurons. While that might seem tiny compared to the human brain's 86 billion neurons, it's still incredibly sophisticated for such a small creature. To put things into perspective, the human brain weighs about 1.4 kilograms, which is roughly 2% of the average human body weight. In contrast, an ant's brain weighs just about 0.1 milligrams, but can account for up to 6% of its body weight. This comparison shows that relative to their size, ants have a larger brain-to-body ratio than humans. This high brain-to-body ratio is one reason why ants are capable of such complex behaviors despite their small size. These neurons allow ants to perform complex tasks such as navigation, communication, and problem-solving. Ants use pheromones to leave trails for others to follow, effectively creating a map to food sources or new nest sites. Have you ever wondered how ants find their way back to food? It's all thanks to these chemical signals. An ant lays down a trail of pheromones, and other ants follow this trail, reinforcing it and ensuring a steady stream of workers to and from the food source. Ants are not just industrious, they are also ingenious problem solvers. Their ability to work together in highly coordinated ways is a testament to their intelligence. For instance, some species form living bridges with their bodies to cross gaps, a remarkable display of their teamwork and communication skills. This behavior is a testament to their collective intelligence. Each ant may have a simple nervous system, but together they can accomplish tasks that seem impossibly complex, a feat that is truly admirable. Scientists study ants to understand their decision-making processes. Through experiments, we've learned that ants can adapt their strategies based on past experiences, showing a rudimentary form of learning and memory. In one experiment, ants were able to find the shortest route through a maze by laying down and following pheromone trails. Over time, the most efficient path became the most reinforced, demonstrating their ability to optimize routes and solve problems. Some ants demonstrate remarkable adaptability and problem-solving abilities by actively using tools. For example, Asian weaver ants, Ecophylla, use their larvae to produce silk, which they then use to bind leaves together and create their nests. The adult ants hold the larvae in their mandibles and use them like a glue gun to apply the silk. Burying ants, Aphinogaster, have been observed using sand, soil, or small debris to soak up liquids like honey, which they then transport back to their nest. This behavior allows them to efficiently collect and move liquid food sources that would otherwise be difficult to handle. Additionally, fire ants, Solenopsis invicta, exhibit remarkable tool use by linking their bodies together to form floating rafts, which helps them survive and relocate during harsh conditions. These examples showcase the diverse and innovative ways ants utilize tools in their environment to survive and thrive. Despite their tiny brains, ants exhibit a high degree of problem-solving ability and adaptability. Their social structures and communication methods enable them to thrive in diverse environments. Accordingly, their societies are incredibly complex, often acting as a single superorganism. Scientists tested this idea by observing how ant colonies respond to attacks during vulnerable times. They found that if ants were removed from inside the nest, the colony would evacuate. If ants were taken from the edges of their scouting area, the colony would pull back into the nest. This shows that ant colonies respond differently depending on where the threat occurs, but always in a coordinated way. These reactions support the idea of the colony as a superorganism and superbrain, responding like a single body to different types of attacks. Just like the nervous system helps an individual avoid injury, the collective response helps the colony avoid further harm. To support this idea, another group compared different species within the same genus of ants, Cataglyphus. They found that species with small colony sizes, only a few hundred individuals, have significantly smaller brains than species with colonies composed of several thousand ants. So the next time you see an ant, take a moment to appreciate the intricate and intelligent world it belongs to. These little insects have a lot to teach us about teamwork, communication, and problem solving. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of ants. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content. See you next time.